Okay, so we will be seeing what are the newer options and newer features that are being added to the Blender 3.5 build, which will be available on the Blender website. So for that, what we need to do is, let me go to this option, and here on the website they have added a shortcut which was available for 3D viewport, for UV editor, image editor, as well as sequencer. What it actually means is, if I click Alt Shift and Z, Alt Shift Z, you can hide the overlays. So what you can do is, if you go to UV editing, you can't do that. So from now on it will be done in UV editor, image editor, as well as video editor workspace. That was one of the most wonderful option that was added. The next is camera passport color to theme. What happened is, if we see the default color for the passport, what it actually means is, when we go to the camera view, and then if we come to the object data properties in the viewport display, and here when we come to the object data property, when we come to the camera view and get to the object data properties and get to the view display, and here you get passport, and if you increase this value, it gets to black. The problem with black and white is, it can control your emotions, be it you are working for a movie or if you are working for a print ad, it can affect your emotions. To avoid that, generally gray color is mostly used. That's why UIs are mostly turning towards gray color and mostly darker grays. So that will be included in 3.5 build. Next option is, it was taken from right click select and implemented within the Blender. The next is one of the most wonderful options is, when you are grooming hair, when you are changing the direction of the hair, you will get a button, and the moment you click this button, magic will happen. Absolute magic. What it actually does is, before that, what used to happen is, when you clicked and dragged the hair, it used to go within the object. Now after clicking the button, voila, wonderful, awesome, perfect. And last but not the least, where is the video? And last but not the least, you got a gizmo controlling the radius of the light. This will be very helpful. This is actually controlling this right inside the gizmo. It will be very helpful for those who don't know. It will be very helpful in creating softer shadows for the objects. So that's it for this, guys. Hope you like this video. Share this video, subscribe it. Before going, you need to do one thing, my dear friend. You need to go to the Blender website, go to the donate button, and make sure that you get yourself added to this donation contribution, because a lot of big companies are supporting it, as well as lot of small people are contributing to it. So it is your duty to contribute to it, and if possible, contribute to me as well. So that's it for this, guys. Meet you in the next video.
Veda.